So in letter A, f of t is equals to 1. The Laplace of 1 based from the table is equals to 1 over x. Next is letter B, the Laplace of cosine 2t. Laplace of cosine at is equals to s over s squared plus a squared. Substitute a is equals to 2. Then the Laplace of cosine 2t is equals to s over s squared plus 2 squared. Letter C, Laplace of sine 3t. The Laplace of sine bt is equals to b over s squared plus b squared based on the table. b is equals to 3. The Laplace of sine 3t is equals to 3 over s squared plus 3 squared. Letter D, the Laplace of e raised to 2t. The Laplace of e raised to at is equals to 1 over s minus a. A is equals to 2. Final answer, Laplace of e raised to 2t is equals to 1 over s minus 2. Letter E, the Laplace of t raised to 3t. In the table, the Laplace of t to the n e to the at is equals to n factorial over s minus a n plus 1. N is equals to 1, a is equals to 3. The Laplace of t e to the at is equals to 1 over s minus 3 squared. Letter F, the Laplace of t to the 7. The Laplace of t to the n is equals to n factorial over s raised to n plus 1. N is equals to 7. The Laplace of t to the 7 is equals to 7 factorial over s raised to 8. Letter G, the Laplace of e to the 2t sine 3t. The Laplace of e to the at sine bt is equals to b over s minus a squared plus b squared. A is equals to 2, b is equals to 3. The Laplace of e to the 2t sine 3t is equals to 3 over s minus 2 squared plus 3 squared. Letter H, the Laplace of e to the 4t cosine 2t. The Laplace of e to the 80 cosine bt is equals to s minus a over s minus a squared plus b squared. A is equals to 4, b is equals to 2. The Laplace of e to the 4t cosine 2t is equals to s minus 4 over s minus 4 squared plus 2 squared. Letter I, the Laplace of hyperbolic sine 2t. The Laplace of hyperbolic sine 80 is equals to a over s squared plus a squared. A is equals to 2. The Laplace of hyperbolic sine 80 is equals to 2 over s squared minus 2 squared. Letter J, the Laplace of cosine 3t. The Laplace of cosine 80 is equals to s over s squared plus a squared. A is equals to 3. The Laplace of cosine 3t is equals to s over s squared plus 3 squared. For number 2, since we are integrating to infinity, we use a limit b to infinity. The integral of e raised to 80 is 1 over a multiplied by e raised to 80. A is equals to 3. Evaluate at the upper limit and subtract the lower limit as b gets larger and larger. The term 1 over 3e raised to 3b becomes 0.